Hi everyone, we are live at Silicon Slopes. My name is Kristina Ayanian and I'm your host with Nasdaq. I'm here with founder of Equity Seed, Dane Simmons Jr. We actually launched Equity Seed at Silicon Slopes this year. Congratulations.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Tell us about Equity Seed.
Yeah, so Equity Seed is a crowdfunding platform specifically for Utah founders and Utah real estate deals. So basically what we've done is we flipped the crowdfunding model upside down, right? And so instead of focusing on everybody, everywhere, whether the investor or the founder, we micro-focus those efforts into a community. So we have a community-based thesis where we only focus on Utah founders and we only focus on investors within that community so that when there are exits, the dollars go back recycle back into that community. So it's a very community-based thesis.
So why Utah?
It was about 3 years ago that I kept hearing Silicon Slopes and this great ecosystem of startups coming out of Utah. So I came down here to the summit and I was blown away by the talent in founders, the companies, the ecosystem, the capital raising abilities within the community. And I felt like we could really launch something great here in Utah. I felt that there was something missing, and that was access for everybody to get into these great deals. And so that's why we started Equity Seed.
And can you explain what crowdfunding is for those of us who may not know?
Absolutely. So crowdfunding basically gives a non-accredited investor the ability to get into deals. Historically, what has happened is only rich people were able to get into deals. So an individual that made $200,000 or more, if you're married, $300,000 or more, well, that created a lot of exclusiveness for rich people to have access to deals. So what we've done is we've gone the crowdfunding route, and this gives the ability for everyone, regardless of financial well-being, to be able to participate into great deals.
And how do you source those deals?
First and foremost, it's having a presence right here in the community. You gotta be on a first name basis with everybody within the community. So going to the accelerators, meeting with the venture capital community, really being at all the pitch competitions. And so when you localize those efforts, the deal flow starts to come based on personal relationships, and that's how we're gonna build Equity Seed within the community.
Tell us about the investment experience.
I'm really excited about the investment experience. So when you localize everything, it gives the investor the ability to go meet the founder face to face. It gives the investor the ability to drive by a real estate project and see that's what I invested in, to tell their kids that's what we invested in. And furthermore, what we've done is we've really streamlined the investment experience down to 5 minutes. So you can look at the deal, you can sign documents, you can transfer funds, all of this within 5 minutes. And so this gives us a very streamlined way for the investor to get in the deal, and it allows us to do some really, really cool things. So for instance, we'll be able to go to pitch competitions, and in real time, while the founder is on stage, we can have investments going while the founder's on stage. And so I'm also very excited about the experience in stadiums. Would you like to go on a journey with me?
Absolutely, let's go.
So listen to this. Just imagine being in the crowdfunding, right? Being in the crowd at a large football game, 50,000 people in the stands. And during a TV timeout, you get a 60-second pitch for a founder, right? They pitch, and in real time, you can see the investments go up dollar by dollar with the individuals in the stands, right? And so we want to be able to create this experience, to gamify the experience, to have a fun experience for investors, to have a great time and have access to it all at the same time.
Well, that makes me really excited.
Well, thank you for going on that journey with me.
Thank you for having us, and thank you for being here with us today.
I appreciate it. Thank you.